Hello, it's Matthew5774 here, and today I'll be looking at a Hornby railroad locomotive. This is my first ever Hornby railroad locomotive, and as you can tell from that, it's a steam engine and it's flying Scotsman. There it's LNER Class A1 flying Scotsman. I'm not sure about the A1 actually, because most people know it as an A3. So don't know about that. I don't know if that just costs you something about the reflectors are missing or what. So let's have a look at it. Put it out. Box. Underneath here we have a DCC jacket. Alright, so not DCC. And here we have the instructions. And at the top it says Class A1. Running routine maintenance. Lubrication, how to remove the body. Just it. So now let's get it out. Sellotape's on there. Yeah. So let's have a look at the tender first. In the whole packaging, it's a bit detail in there. I'll get that. I'll have a look at it once I've got look out and stuff. So Hornby, it's a finger hole in the back. Push that out, and it should come out. Quite stiff. Quite tight with it. And now it's out. The tender of that, for a tender, is quite heavy actually. You can tell there, LNER on the North Eastern Railway. The coal in there is solid, so you can't take it out. It looks it's quite realistic. You got some detail in there, and I think you can't actually see that. You got just a normal coupling there, not sure what the name for them are, and sprung buffers. But for a tent that's quite heavy. So I'll put that to one side, and have a look at the loco. In fact, this is actually quite tight. Yeah. So there it is, the world's most famous locomotive, flying Scotsman. As for most people who have seen it, will know that it normally has smoke box deflectors here, but this one doesn't. It's alright. No, if you're looking for a flying Scotsman and you're looking for a bit more like realism in it, like more detail and stuff, National Railway Museum are bringing out the Flying Scotsman in October. They do it in this livery, which is the apple green with only on a tender, and the wartime black, what it was first in, and it was displayed at the National Railway Museum. So that's back to the loco. All this at the top here is quite nicely detailed. Got the two safety valves there, the chimney and stuff. That nameplate there looks quite nice as well. 4472, nice good number. As usual with Hornby, cab detailing, it's painted black, which is alright. You could paint it up if you wanted, but overall weight on it is not the heaviest logo I've ever picked up, and it's not too light. It's just quite an average weight actually. Yes. You know, that's been moulded on as well, not been painted, moulded. As the tender spring buffers. Spring buffers there. So let's have a look at the scenery. I'll come back to have a look, because we're getting back in the box. I don't know. It's like brake pipe and stuff. It's quite nice actually. Might add them. But yeah. I don't know, these wheels here are flat. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that. Obviously they wouldn't be in, on the real thing, because it would have like that to get grip on the wheels. Probably just because the models and corners guide it. But really that is a fairly nice model. But the price I paid for it, I didn't expect. I just expect like model, pull a few coaches, done. But it's actually quite nice. Yeah. So I've put them together now, tender and Wilco. That looks pretty nice. Can't wait to have it running around the layout. But yeah. If you just want a standard Flying Scotsman model and you don't want to pay the price that Hornby NRM are charging, because I think it's like £135, just go for something like this. It's not like the best loco ever, but it's an alright little loco. It's not that's a little for. Alright loco to be fair. But yeah, just go for it. It's quite nice. So yeah, that is a review of the Hornby Railroad Flying Scotsman. This is Matthew 5774. Thank you for watching.